Oh, that's on
Or I can do an outtakes at the end of it. Yeah, the outtakes will probably be.
So that you could then slap.
That's my favourite one.
Yeah. Hey, welcome back to the garage and season's greetings to you. Not been around for quite a while, had a load of stuff going on, personal stuff that I'm not going to bore you with. But we're in the garage, but we're not working on the bikes. Probably a month or so ago, maybe a little bit longer, I went and bought myself a second-hand motorcycle ramp. I bought it off James from Shiny Side Up. He did all his motorcycle valeting on here, so it's certainly seen a little bit of action. I wasn't going to record any of this. I was just going to sort of get to it, a little project over Christmas. But as you can see, there's a lot of wear, and I've already started to take it apart. You know, these fixtures here are for like the front wheel. It's in pretty good nick, really. It's just like cosmetic, works fine. So what I'm going to do is give it a refurb. I've got some paint over there, some Hammerite paint. Give it a coat of paint, bring it up to date. So what I'm hoping to do is sandblast, shot blast, whatever you want to call it, media blasting, whatever, to clean these up, get it back to the bare metal, similar to what I've done there, and then I can paint it all and make it all nice and new again. I don't know if I can clean the bolts up, because some of them are quite good, some of them aren't. So we're going to the machine shop. Let's go and see the world famous Bob. Let's get on with it. And here we are, outside the machine shop. Bought the stuff over there, just sorted out with Bob, get the machine all set up, and let's go in there and blast away. Here's the booth. I'm going to try the ramp first, all my other bits, and the other parts down there. A little bit noisy, but hopefully it's backed up, should be okay, and get some footage inside. Finally got to the machine shop to do the sandblasting with the infamous Bob.
Hello.
Oh, you guys will shine now the camera's on.
I can't say the things I want to say. You've stopped me from saying them.
You can say whatever you want. I'd just like to blur it out or edit it. So give us a little bit.
Right, go from that.
So the shop. Tell me a little bit about it.
Shop was started 6 years in February, which is, it's a long time. And I started it just to kind of help out bikers that wanted to work on bikes themselves and give people like a third place to go to instead of the pub or sitting at home, you know, and somewhere nice and comfortable and fun to work on their stuff in. So, yeah, it's gone really well. We started at the start of COVID, so we had to shut. We spent the first nearly 2 years shut. So we're just starting to kind of get going properly now. Yeah. But we spent a long time marketing, and as you can tell, we are everywhere. We're like a really good-looking rash. But it's gone really well now. It's like the most fun job in the world, but it is a lot of hard work.
Oh, I can see that coming here, and I can see what you do on other YouTube channels, online, your own YouTube channel. So
the key and the trick to it is just give up sleeping.
Well, yeah, I've noticed. I watched a couple of your videos where you've been here till like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning doing stuff.
It's when my phone stops ringing and people stop texting me. I get a bit of quiet time and I can concentrate on what I need to do.
Where did you sort of like you train? You get qualified in engineering or just welding or?
No. I grew up on having to know how to fix stuff. Over in the west of Ireland, like when something breaks, you have to fix it. There's no like next day delivery or anything, so you just have to learn to fix things, and that's my kind of primary skill, is just fixing stuff. I'm 36 now. I've been working since my first day at work. I was 4. I remember my first day at work. I was 4 with my dad. It was awesome, and I just love working, and I've learned loads of stuff because I've been working since that length of time.
In the real world.
So we have the welding bays. We do nearly 30 welding classes a week. The 4-hour classes. There are no fluff welding class. What's your swearing policy?
My swearing policy, say whatever you want.
Okay, there's no bullshit in my classes. It's just you come in, I tell you what you need to know, and I get you welding within 4 hours, where going to a normal college, it takes you 4 to 6 weeks to learn what I can do in 4 hours here. I know that because I went and did these courses when I was a teenager, and they just take weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks to teach you the real basic stuff. So I get all that out of the way. Like very, very low on health and safety and almost no theory. It's just practical. You can't read a book and then drive.
Yeah.
It's same with welding. You have to do it. You have to practice. everything's up in a heap at the moment because we're trying to move some stuff from shed to shed.
Everything you need to do to rebuild a car, rebuild a bike.
Yeah. I'm a terrible salesman. I'm like, this is all right, I guess. But it is. We try and keep it kind of real world. We don't go down the corporate route. We don't like do formal anything.
Yeah.
And which is why we're quite well known around the place. We do like to make noise. Pride ourselves on not being like any other company in British business, especially the bike side of things, because we get complaints from manufacturers, and we get complaints from like other people in the business.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you about that after.
Off camera.
But we'll go to an event and we'll do this or that, which is never bad. We're not bad people. We just like having fun and doing our own thing. But then people start moaning about stuff, and then, but that's why I feel like it's why we've progressed so much, because we're bikers in a motorcycle world.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
And bring it back a few years.
I totally get it, because I've never known anything like this before. It's a bit of a niche thing. So for people to come down, learn hands-on and get straight onto it, I totally get it. I can sort of understand why maybe some of the people are getting pissed off, because maybe it's not sort of like politically correct in certain manners. But for me, it's fuck
them.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I think it's great. You know, hands on, spot on.
Okay. Son, thanks for coming down.
Cheers, thank you.
See you soon.
There you go. Right, back home, parts shop blasted. Nice little chat with Bob and the crew at the machine shop. Hope you like the little chat with him. Now we're going to get on with this. Right, for the surface, I'm not going to paint it red, I'm going to paint it grey, and I'm using Hammer White Direct to Rust metal paint. First coat done, doesn't look too bad. Now let's give it some drying time. Finally back in the garage, and we've finished. The ramp is finished. As you can see, I haven't filmed any of this, but I've put all the bits back on. The sort of like tyre guard, wheel guard, and the chocks for the front wheel. I think this has turned out pretty good, Refurbed this old thing, which potentially, I don't know, could have been scrapped. I don't know. Everything was working fine with it. So I hope you enjoyed the little trip over to the machine shop and meet Bob. Bob, if you're watching, thank you very much for the use of your equipment. It came in very handy. Right, now let's try and get the bikes on and see if it actually properly works. Mind my derriere. So here we go, let's put it up there. And there we have it. I'm really happy with this. Chop the front in, as you've just seen with this wheel here. Probably beneficial to have an axle stand, a swing arm stand as well, but that's held up quite well. I'm quite pleased with that, and it goes a lot higher. I'm teaching you to suck eggs really, because most of you don't know how a ramp is. This is just a renovation of the ramp, and I'm really happy with it. Let's see if the Triumph goes up so easy. And as you can see, the trumpet fits on as well, so it's all good. This would be quite handy to leave here over the winter, because I'm more likely to use the 690 than I am to use the Triumph over winter, because that's just the way I am. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you've watched it all the way through. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give me a comment. Always make it polite. And if you're not already following, hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. So I said, thank you to all the new subscribers. More content to come. I know it's been lacking a little bit, but that's the way it goes. And if you do want to work on stuff yourself, engineering, welding, shot blasting, anything like that, hit the machine shop. I'll put a link in the description. Go and give Bob a shout. He is a very helpful guy. So go and pay them a visit, give them a call, whatever. Get yourself down there. Take care. Have a happy new year and ride safe.